Everyone, welcome back to Nivas Vibes. I'm Nivas, and yeah, this is our third week video, which is going to be very useful and helpful for the aspirants who are preparing for JEE 2025. So, yeah, this is going to be very much helpful for the students who are preparing, right? This is a crucial and very important period of time for preparing for JEE, right? So, yeah, this video is going to be on how to stay motivated and as well as how to be consistent throughout the whole your preparation. Why? Because being consistent and disciplined plays a major and crucial role in not only in preparing for any competitive exam, right? It's about for any work. So trust me, it's going to be a game changer that separates you from the rest, right? So without wasting any time, let's begin our video. Mainly, consistency isn't just a word, right? It's your golden ticket to achieving the IIT dream, right? So it means that showing every single day showing up every single day, working hard and being consistent even when you don't feel to like it, right? So imagine a drop of water falling on a rock. One drop won't do that much, but continuous drops over time, it carves right through the rock, right? So how do you build that kind of consistency in you, right? So you must be very much consistent throughout the period of your preparation to achieve your dream. Why? You need to be disciplined throughout the preparation. So let's break it down that how you can be consistent means you may have so many deviations throughout the period of your preparation. So how to manage your deviations, mainly time management. Yeah, you need to set your achievable goals, right? Start by setting daily or weekly targets that are realistic. That means by completing or solving 20 problems a day may seem small, but yeah, it adds up over weeks and months, right? So you need to be consistent, like so this small things like doing a 20 problems or solving some 20 problems per day will build a best consistency in you throughout your whole time without any deviation. And also, mainly, you should have some study routine. You should set up some study routine, like your routine builds discipline in you. Choose the time of the day when you are most interested, and yeah, make it your study slot, right? So why? Because most of them will study at night time, right? So some are interested to study at morning times, like they wanted to wake up early in the morning by 4 a.m. or 3:30 a.m. and they are interested to study at that slot of time. But yeah, just now it's your turn. Why? Because you should manage your time. We don't know how you are studying and what's your daily routines, right? So based on your daily routine, set up your study routine time, so that you need to fix for that particular slot of time, and you should study for that at that slot of time for sure. Compulsorily, you need to study at that slot of time, so that it builds a discipline and consistency in you for sure for your study routine. And yeah, next, you need to have your self progress checkup, right? So nothing feels better than seeing your hard work paying off, right? Keep a checklist or maintain some calendar to mark your completed tasks. Whenever you complete a task, just make sure to tick in your calendar, or else make a checklist that I need to complete this work in this span of time. So if you are completed, then make sure to tick that, so that it builds that your progress. It will show your progress, that how you are being upgraded during this whole preparation. So it's next thing is that you need to be mentally strong throughout your preparation. Why? Because being having mental stability is a great thing, and maintaining it is a very good thing throughout your preparation. So mainly, visualize your goal, like close your eyes and just picture yourself that walking into that IIT campus, and imagine, and mainly that image will fuels you on your tough days during your preparations. So yeah, and also connect with a like-minded persons. Like you'll have some friends who are like-minded as you, or else just uh, just mainly discuss, or else with your parents. So nothing, I think no one are very close, and no one are more friendly rather than our parents. So make sure to open up before your parents. So whenever you are in tough days, or else in a tough situation, you need to open up, you need to be open up in front of your friends, or else in front of your parents, so that it will give a relaxation and relief for you, so that you can, so that you can be forwarded without any deviations. So make sure to keep your mind clean by opening up in front of your parents, most likely. And next one, reward yourself. Rewarding yourself will plays a very very crucial role throughout your preparation strategy. I think that best strategy I'll suggest is that you need to reward yourself during your preparation. Why? Because whenever you hit a milestone, celebrate it, right? Even even it's just you're having your favorite food, favorite food, or else take a break and just watching an episode of your favorite show, or else watching a movie, or else watching episode of your favorite, do something. But make sure to reward yourself, like after completing a weekly exam, that means you have set a goal that I need to score in this mock test more than 160 marks or 170 marks or more than 200 marks. If you scored, for sure, rather then make sure to reward yourself, or else you have a task that you need to complete uh, to study this particular topic at in this span of time, in this span of time. So if you have completed that, then make sure to reward yourself. Why you're not rewarding yourself? Why? Because here making rewarding yourself is a best strategy, so that it will boost you up and it will keep you stay motivated, so that that means you are reaching your goal near, means your progress is being upgraded throughout the day. Consistency is not that much easy as the word we are pronouncing. Why? Because consistency plays a very crucial role throughout your period of preparation. And yeah, there's no chance of giving you that 100% that your consistency will not break. Why? Because there's more chances that your consistency may break. Why? Because a single day, or else a single mock test, or else a single problem can make you demotivated. So you should be mentally strong for, and you should be prepared for those days, or else those particular situations you need to face them. So whenever you are having a bad day, then just make sure to leave the day. Don't prepare anything, just take a break on that day. Just make your mind feel free, just walk in the nature, or else talk with your parents, talk with your friends. Don't be upset. Make sure to not this single day, or else a single problem should derail your motivation, or else your success, or else your success in achieving IIT JEE. So make sure to keep these points in your mind, and our job is to help you to stay motivated throughout your preparation, and just make sure that make you to work like a warrior throughout your preparation. So until our next video, stay motivated and make sure to manage your time accordingly. Stay consistent and just work like a warrior. Until then, see you in the next video. This is your Nivas signing off.